Hello guys, so I'm making this video on why you should mine HOT in case you've not started mining or you're already mining and you abandon it. So to start, before you can start mining HOT seamlessly, you need at least one 0.5 near and one USDT and 0.5 near. The current price of near right now is $7.33. This money won't be removed from your account. It belongs to you. So it's just to push away boots for people that want to create multiple accounts. That's the reason for it. And also to give you unlimited gas to clean your HOT. So if you want to check out how HOT works, how to upgrade and every other thing. So I have tutorials on my channel so you can go through them. So this video is just specifically on why you should mine HOTs. So aside mining HOTs, it comes with a whole lot of benefits, And this is one of them. I click on apps. So let me go to Hotpad. So already, if you were here before, you should have known about uwon and how we bought uwon with our mined HOTs, like the HOTs we currently mine. That's what we bought the uwon with. And also this USMEME is a stable coin that is launching under HOT pad, which means these HOTs we are currently mining, they have a launch pad where people can launch their coin if they want to list under the NEAR Protocol blockchain. So and I participated in this one too. I also bought with HOTs, and you can see claiming coming soon. It will be later this week, and once it comes out, I'll also make a video to show you why I claimed mine. There are another benefits for mining HOT. You can see right here, they have HOT Mint, which is an NFT. So this is going to be the first NFT. Meanwhile, the one I showed to you was the first coin launched on HOT, and the USMEME is going to be the second coin going to be launched on HOT. And this double dog right here is going to be the first NFT that is going to be launched on HOT. And you can see the sell price is 5 HOT. Total supply is 10,000. And rare NFT wolf, common NFT wolf. So which means they're only going to have just one dog is good, but a double dog is better. Double dog, it's a premium collection of 10,000 NFTs. So they're only going to have 10,000 of this, and one of them will cost 5 HOTs. Meaning we are still going to use the HOTs we've been mining to buy it. So we don't have to bring money from elsewhere. It's still going. So this is one of those things that we can benefit while mining HOTs. And I'm telling you for free, I sold my uwon Eldo. I sold for $16. Imagine something I am mining HOTs for free, and I'm also selling um some of the coins that I launched then since I got it from here. So and also this last one right here, HOTs, which I just said. Let me tell you a little about HOTs. HOTs is a mining app on Telegram, sponsored by NEAR Protocol, and aside of having a launch pad, they are also having a hardware wallet. They did a collaboration with a US company in San Francisco, HITO. So they are launching their hold wallet. Meanwhile, I've ordered mine already yesterday. You can check my previous video. I made a video about that. So you cannot but unlike my previous video, this time around they decided to add a new function to it, which by you can buy inside Telegram without leaving Telegram. You cannot buy with near and USDT or USDC. So and if you want to buy, once you click on it, I've already filled in my information here. So then you click on continue. Once you fill in your information here, you click on continue. Then you pay with near. So from last time I checked, it was 20, is it 25 near or something, or 28 near? I can't remember the exact figure. That's a $186 point something. I can't remember which. So that's it. So and this hot right here, so imagine having a hardware wallet where you can store your crypto, and once you get this wallet, an NFT is coming with it, and according to the announcement given that, and the link to the NFT to be minted will be sent to your mail so that you can mint it once the hardware wallet has been delivered. So they still have some few copies left. So in case you've not ordered, you can check my previous video. I have the link there. I can also drop the link in the description of this video. So guys, if you are still on hot or you're mining hot, please do take it serious. And if you want to check how you can increase your mining speed, you can check my other videos in under boost. I've explained everything about liquid storage, new multi fireplace, and uranium boxes. You can check my other videos. I have explained everything, so I don't have to go through them again. So and right here, and if you are mining hot, you can see right here the storage. This thing have to get filled, and it shows full. Then before you can claim, so you can see right here it's showing full right now in the storage. So I'm going to click on it, storage. So now you can actually claim hot. So without you claiming, you can't be able to, you can't continue mining. So right here I've upgraded to 6 hours. So I want to also upgrade to 24 hours. So and these are to upgrade also. You go to liquid storage. I'm going to upgrade. So upgrade to 12 hours will cost me 4 hot. So I'm going to do that upgrade because hot is still going to be around for a very long time. So I mean the mining. So instead of doing 6 hours, so I just decided to do I want to do a whole 24 hours. So I've done titanium storage, better storage, hold more hot, and you can claim it less often. So got it. So right here I want to go to the 24 hours. That's level 6. It's going to cost me 10 hot. So yes, I'm willing to risk it. So I'm doing that because I just want to be sleeping very well, not waking all the time to check where my hot, because I've always noticed that my storage is filled up and I'll forget to claim, and whenever I come online, like there's a certain pain I used to feel in my chest because I don't think anyone should miss it. So you can see right here, I think 24 hours is the list of it. Like so. See you guys. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like and share to your friends. And also you can decide to check some of my videos if you want to learn how to make money on crypto. So that's basically I do most of those one. I'm also a comedian in case you want to know. So see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. All right, ciao.